Oh, yeah!
Hey everybody, welcome back. What took you so long? I've been waiting here forever. Anyway, I'm just kidding. Another question that you might probably for sure could see on the Inventor Certified User exam is they're going to have some kind of a dice. It's going to be more fancier than this one. It's going to be like a 8-sided dice or a 99-sided, I don't know. It's going to be some crazy sided dice. And they're going to say they want you to reset the front view and then tell what number or lettering or how many dots or what kind of information is located on that reset front view. So if you look at this dice here, you can see that our front view right now currently, it has 2 pips or 2 dots on that front view. But if we reset the front view, so how do you reset the front view? So what you would do is go up to your view cube where you see the picture of the little house and you right click it, and where you see reset front. And now you notice it kind of got our cube going all crazy janky looking. But so now you need to find, okay, where's the reset front view? So you just kind of flip around this thing to look for wherever the new front view is. Still can't find this thing. Here it is. So this is going to be the new front view, right? So now the reset front view is the side with 6 pips or 6 dots on it or whatever. So that's kind of how you reset the front view. And that shouldn't take you that long to kind of work on that problem there. So if they ask you that question, you're like, thank you for that, because that's going to take me about a few seconds to kind of do that. So anyway, that's how you reset the front view. All right, peace out.